What's up, guys? Welcome to Pacifica Vibes. This is a portion of our YouTube channel where we are not at the shop, we're at our office, and we want to focus mainly on questions that we mainly get asked. Well, common questions. And the question for today is what, Kevin?
Pretty much, do we offer delivery service?
Okay. The short answer is yes.
Yes, we do.
Right. All right, Kevin. Kevin's going to go over a little bit more of the details on the delivery.
So this is our office series, and of course we have a nice good topic that a lot of people have asked, a lot of subscribers who that tour our homes, if we offer delivery service. Of course we do. We deliver nationwide, but right now we're going to be focusing on California. So California, we have a state delivery here. We charge $3,900 for a full delivery service. Pretty much what this is, we're going to break down one. We do the tiny house. We make sure the tiny house is insured when we're delivering it to your location. We park and level your home where you want it to be exactly. Wherever you want to have it located, that's where we're going to put it for you. And then from there on, we'll have it move-in ready. We'll follow a checklist. We'll make sure everything is good. Just in case anything does occur, we'll touch it up and make sure your house is, like I mentioned, move-in ready. And that's here in California. David's actually going to break down your state delivery for different cities. For different states, to see what the price is for different state deliveries.
Okay, so before we get into the deliveries by the state, we're gonna go over three main things that we cover in our delivery, right? So we're gonna cover the insurance part. That means the tiny home is insured during the transportation. If it's going from here to San Francisco, San Diego, Sacramento, no matter where it's going, there's insurance on the house, right? 2, we're gonna park the tiny home and we're gonna level it for you, right? So we're not just gonna deliver it to you and just drop it off there in front of your house. We don't do that. We're gonna actually, park it where you want it and level it for you, right? 3, the move-in ready. We're gonna make sure the tiny home is move-in ready for you guys. We understand during the transportation stuff can happen, little cracks, maybe it can get dirty while we're walking in and out. We're gonna make sure that our team leaves the home move-in ready for you guys. So that means we're gonna do put any caulking, touch-up painting that's necessary, and we're gonna do cleaning to make sure that you guys just start moving in and enjoying your tiny home.
And we do follow our delivery service guidelines, so therefore we make sure everything is great and perfect.
Right. So those are the three main things that we mainly offer, right? So now to the delivery by the state, we do offer a flat rate delivery per state, and this is kind of, I want to show you guys what it looks like. If you guys want to pause right there and see what the cost is per state, you can see what it is here.
So if you live in Hawaii, if you live in Kentucky, wherever state you live in, we can actually deliver it to your location, and also following the same guidelines that we did mention, those 3 main guidelines of what we do in any state. So that's something that we do prioritize. We do take the best team out there that do the delivery service. They're well over experienced with tons of people that we take out there, depending on where it's located, and we make sure we get the job done for you.
Okay, guys, so everything that I showed you guys here as well on all these prices, the insurance, the delivery and the setup, the move-in ready, all that stuff is included here in this price as well. Well, there it is. The delivery. We offer delivery nationwide for you guys. We're going to be making more videos, answering more questions that we get asked. If you guys have a particular question, you guys
just feel free to make sure you guys leave a comment, and any questions you may have. This is the right series to actually ask these questions, because we're going to be focusing on you guys and answering each question. So this is the episode 1 that we had a customer or a subscriber tell us if we offer delivery services. So we're going to be following these questions and following up with you guys and giving you guys this great content content for these for your questions to be answered. So make sure you subscribe and make sure you comment down below. Therefore, we can see these questions, and then we'll pick from there these questions. We'll go one by one. We're gonna be leaving you with cliffhangers, but yeah, we can definitely answer those questions for you. Okay.
Subscribe, turn on the notification bell on, and we'll see you guys on the next video with Berkeley the Pug.